Welcome to the bustling streets of Michigan, where taste buds embark on an unforgettable journey. Here, the aroma of coney dogs wafts through the air, a local favorite featuring a tender hot dog smothered in rich chili sauce with a sprinkle of onions and mustard. But that's just the appetizer. Next up, savor the pasties, a delectable handheld pie filled with a hearty mix of beef, potatoes, and rutabagas. Originating from Cornwall, England, this dish has been a Michigan staple since the 19th century, and no Michigan street food tour is complete without a bite of Mackinac Island fudge, a melt-in-your-mouth delight that's been sweetening the state since the late 1800s. So whether you're a foodie or just love a good snack, Michigan's street food scene promises an Epicurean adventure that leaves a lasting impression. Until next time, keep exploring.